Hello, this is week 4. My name is Megan Petta, and today is Sunday, July 29th. And today we're going to finish the biochemical testing for microbial identification using, we're first going to do the methyl red experiment, then the VOGS prosconer, and then lastly the catalyst testing. So I already incubated the MRVP broth for the allotted time, and the liquid's starting to look murky. So now we're going to actually add the methyl red into those concoctions. So okay. My name is Megan Petta, if I didn't say that. Okay. So I'm going to get the concoctions. So the broth is starting to look murky and coloring. So that's how I knew it's starting to look a little kind of cloudy in nature. So that's how I knew that it would be ready. So what I'm going to do, I already have my other test tubes labeled. And I'm going to pour half of the broth into each corresponding test tube. Okay, so I poured a little too much of that broth, so I'm going to distribute it evenly. Okay, that's pretty close. And then I'm going to do the same. I'm going to make sure I clean this out with bleach. Okay, roughly the same. Okay. So these are going to get these in here for now. So I'm going to switch out my gloves and I'm going to add the methyl red. And that's a broth. I'm going to hit, so I'm going to use scissors to open it. Okay. Then I'm going to add 7 drops into one of the E. coli and into one of, okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. then we're going to watch, oh, that's interesting, we're going to watch the color change here. So the S epidermis is like a bright fuchsia reddish, and then the E. coli one is orange. Interesting. So that was actually pretty cool. You can see the coloring here. Okay. So I'm going to hit. Okay, so now we're going to do part 3, the Vogg's Prosconder test. So I have both A reagent and B reagent here. So we're first going to do the A. Move and pipe it with. So I'm going to do 12 drops to each test tube. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I'm going to add 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So after, we're going to wait 30 minutes. And we're going to swirl this around. For 30 seconds. And then we're going to let this sit for 30 minutes and then we'll come back and test it. Okay, and for the catalyst testing, I have both my slides ready, as you can see, and I'm going to get my cultures out. Right now, the E. coli and the S. epidermis. And this is soaked in alcohol. Okay, I'll put culture there, sterilize, return back. Do the same thing. And then I'm going to pipe 1 drop of hydrogen peroxide and observe it. And then I'm going to also take a picture. So my hydrogen peroxide, 1 drop. And I can see little bubbles. And I do hear they're kind of bowling up like looks like a bubble. And the E. coli one is very bubbly. S. epidermis, it's starting to get little bubbles on top of it. Okay. Oh yeah, now it's really starting to foam. Huh. Interesting. So that concludes the video for this week. I'm still waiting just 30 minutes for these to change colors, and then I will input that picture into my lab report. Thank you.